Welcome, dear dreamer, to this quiet corner of the world. I am Mooncat, your gentle guide through the whispering forests of your imagination, where shadows dance in the moonlight and secrets lie hidden in the cool embrace of the earth. Tonight I invite you to journey with me to a place where time slows and the air hums with a quiet magic. A place known only to those who seek solace in the company of the trees and the soothing song of a hidden waterfall. Close your eyes, if you will, and let the world around you fade into a soft, distant murmur. Feel the cool breeze as it dances across your skin, carrying with it the scent of wildflowers and fresh water. Listen closely and you may hear the faint rustle of leaves, the gentle rush of a hidden stream, calling you deeper into the forest. It is here in this secret place where we will find peace, where we will discover a hidden path that leads us to the heart of the forest's magic. And as we wander together, let go of your worries, your burdens. Feel the tension leave your body, replaced by a sense of calm, a feeling of being exactly where you are meant to be. This is your sanctuary, a place where you can breathe, where you can simply be. If you enjoy this journey, dear dreamer, if you find comfort in the quiet places between sleep and waking, I invite you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Together we will explore more hidden corners of this magical world where dreams whisper their secrets and peace is as close as a breath away. Now let us begin our journey. The forest awaits and the waterfall calls. Deep within the embrace of a lush, verdant forest, a hidden path beckons. It winds between towering oaks and whispering pines, their ancient limbs interwoven like a canopy of secrets. The air is thick with the scent of earth and foliage, a perfume of green life damp and alive. Each step forward draws you deeper into a world where time moves differently, a realm untouched by the outside world, where only nature reigns. It begins with a feeling, an inexplicable tug at the edges of your awareness. You are walking along a familiar trail in the heart of the forest, your footsteps quiet on the mossy ground. When you sense it, a whisper on the wind, a subtle shift in the air. You pause, listening intently. The birds have quieted, their songs replaced by a soft rustling, as if the leaves themselves are speaking to you. You turn your head, and there, just beyond the curtain of ferns, you see it, a narrow path, half hidden, almost secret. Curiosity stirs within you, a flutter of excitement mingled with a hint of apprehension. The path is not marked on any map, it is not a route you have ever seen before. It seems to emerge from nowhere, a ethi webbing into the depths of the forest. For a moment you hesitate, feeling the weight of the unknown pressing down on you. Yet something in the air urges you forward, a silent invitation that cannot be ignored. You step off the main trail and onto the hidden path, feeling a thrill course through your veins. Each step feels like a secret, the forest around you shifting subtly as if acknowledging your presence. The trees that line this narrow way are different, older, their trunks gnarled and twisted like ancient sentinels guarding a sacred passage. Their bark is rough beneath your fingers, textured like the scales of some great, slumbering creature. You imagine what it would be like to climb these giants, to reach the top of the canopy, where the world opens up into a tapestry of green and gold, the air thinner, the light clearer. Above, the branches intertwine, creating a dense canopy that filters the sunlight into soft, golden shafts. The leaves are a rich tapestry of greens, emerald, jade, and moss, each one catching the light differently, shimmering as if dusted with a fine layer of gold. You imagine the tops of these towering trees bathed in sunlight, their leaves whispering secrets to the wind as they dance in the high, unseen currents. Up there you think the air must be cool and crisp, tinged with the scent of pine and cedar mingling with the warmth of the sun. The leaves would feel soft and velvety against your skin, brushing gently like the wings of 1,000 butterflies. The scent of the forest deepens as you venture further along the path. The air is rich with the aroma of damp earth and decaying leaves, a heady perfume that fills your lungs with each breath. It is a scent that speaks of life in all its forms of growth and decay, of renewal, and the endless cycle of nature. There is a hint of something sweet too, carried on the breeze, the delicate fragrance of honeysuckle, mingling with the sharper, resinous scent of pine and the earthy musk of the forest floor. The path winds deeper into the forest, twisting and turning, as if following a trail known only to the trees themselves. The ground beneath your feet is soft, covered in a thick layer of moss that cushions each step, muting the sound of your passage. It is as if the forest is guiding you, each bend in the trail leading you further into its embrace, deeper into its secrets. The air feels different here, charged with a subtle energy, a sense of mystery that prickles at your skin. You feel both exhilarated and uneasy, as if you are trespassing into a sacred place, a hidden sanctuary meant only for those who seek it. You can't help but wonder where the path leads, what lies at the end of this winding, hidden way. Your heart beats faster, not from fear, but from the thrill of discovery, the excitement of finding something unknown, something untouched. there is a sense of being chosen, of being led by unseen hands through a world that exists just beyond the edges of reality. You feel a deep connection to this place, a bond that transcends words, the feeling that you have been here before in dreams or in another life. The trees seem to lean closer as you walk, their branches arching overhead like the vaulted ceiling of a cathedral. The sunlight filters through the leaves, casting shifting patterns on the ground, a dance of light and shadow that moves in time with your steps. The deeper you go, the more the forest seems to come alive around you. You hear the soft murmur of a brook nearby, the gentle rustle of leaves, the distant call of a bird. The sounds are soothing, familiar, yet there is an undercurrent of mystery to them. A sense that they are speaking to you in a language you cannot quite understand. You feel the forest presence all around you, a living, breathing entity that seems to guide your steps, nudging you forward with a gentle insistence. You cannot shake the feeling that the path is leading you somewhere important. Somewhere meant just for you. You are filled with a sense of anticipation. Your sense is heightened, your breath quickening with the thrill of the unknown. The path narrows, the trees crowding closer, their branches interwoven like a thick, living wall. You have to duck and weave, pushing aside leaves and vines. The scent of the forest growing stronger, richer, filling your senses with every breath. You feel a cool breeze on your face, a breath of air that seems to come from nowhere. And then you hear it, the distant sound of water, soft, rhythmic murmur that grows louder with each step. Your heart quickens, instinctively, that you are close to something hidden, something wonderful. As you push through the last of the undergrowth, the path opens up. And there it is, the hidden waterfall, tumbling down a rocky cliff, its waters sparkling in the dappled sunlight. The air is filled with the soothing sound of water cascading over stone, a gentle rhythmic melody that fills you with a deep sense of peace. You step forward, feeling the cool mist on your skin, and smile. You have found it, this secret place, this hidden sanctuary. And as you stand there, basking in the beauty of the waterfall, you feel the forest's embrace welcoming you, inviting you to stay, to rest, to let go. Here, in this hidden corner of the world, you feel truly alive, truly free. And as you breathe in the scent of fresh water and wildflowers, you know that this is where you are meant to be, here, in this place of peace and serenity, where the mysteries of the forest unfold around you and the hidden path has led you home. The trail is soft beneath your feet, carpeted with moss and strewn with leaves, their colours vivid in the filtered sunlight. Shafts of golden light pierce through the dense foliage above, casting shifting patterns on the forest floor like a dance of light and shadow. There is a sense of anticipation in the air, a promise whispered in the rustling of the leaves, in the gentle murmur of a distant stream. You follow that sound, drawn to it like a moth to flame. As you move deeper into the forest, the sound grows louder, more insistent, the soothing rush of water cascading over stone, a melody played by nature itself. The path opens up to a small clearing, and there before you is the hidden waterfall. As you push past the last of the undergrowth, the hidden path opens up before you, revealing a sight that takes your breath away. There, nestled in a secluded glade, is the waterfall. It cascades down a rocky cliff in a shimmering curtain of silver, each drop catching the light as it falls, creating a sparkling display that dazzles the eyes. For a moment you can only stand there, rooted to the spot, your heart swelling with a sense of wonder. It feels as though you have stumbled upon a secret kept by the forest, a treasure hidden away from the world, meant only for those who dare to seek it out. A feeling of awe washes over you, mingled with a deep sense of peace. The waterfall is not grand or imposing, but its beauty is undeniable, a quiet elegance that speaks to the soul. You feel a weight lift from your shoulders, the worries and cares of the outside world melting away in the presence of this natural wonder. The sound of the water is soothing, a soft, rhythmic lullaby that fills the air and drowns out all other thoughts. You take a deep breath, feeling the cool, fresh air fill your lungs, and close your eyes, letting the peaceful energy of this place wash over you. As you stand there, drinking in the beauty of the waterfall, you become aware of the scents that fill the air around you. The mist rising from the pool at the base of the falls carries with it the crisp, clean scent of fresh water, mingling with the earthy aromas and rich soil. There is a hint of something sweet to the delicate fragrance of wildflowers growing along the water's edge. You can smell the honeysuckle, its scent light and airy, dancing on the breeze mixed with the sharper woodsy notes of pine and cedar. Each breath you take is a sensory delight. The sense of the forest enveloping you, grounding you in the moment. The mist from the waterfall brushes against your skin, cool and refreshing, like a gentle caress. It feels invigorating, yet soothing, each droplet a tiny, perfect gem of cold water that leaves a faint, tingling trail in its wake. The sun is warm on your face, contrasting with the coolness of the mist. creating a sensation that is both comforting and exhilarating. You can feel the soft spray settling on your eyelashes, each blink releasing a tiny shower of droplets. You reach out with your hand, feeling the cool, clear water cascade over your fingers, the sensation grounding you in the present, anchoring you in the tranquility of this hidden place. And as you stand there by the waterfall, feeling the cool mist on your skin and listening to the calming sound of the water, you know that you have found a place of peace, a place of healing. You close your eyes, take another deep breath, and let yourself be carried away by the tranquil energy of this hidden sanctuary. Here in this secret place you find not just rest but renewal. You find yourself. It tumbles down a rocky cliff, its waters shimmering in the dappled sunlight. The waterfall is not grand, but it possesses a quiet majesty, a beauty born of serenity and grace. The water cascades over smooth stones, sparkling like a diamond as it catches the light. The rhythm of its descent is hypnotic, a soft, unending lullaby that fills the air and drowns out all other sounds. It is as if the forest itself has fallen silent, holding its breath in reverence of this natural wonder. A deep sense of relaxation settles over you, like a warm blanket wrapping around your shoulders. Your muscles loosen, the tension in your body easing away, carried off by the soothing sounds of the water. You feel your breath slowing, deepening, matching the rhythmic flow of the waterfall. Your mind, once crowded with thoughts and worries, begins to quiet, each passing moment bringing you deeper into a state of calm. You feel connected to this place, to the earth beneath your feet, to the water that flows endlessly before you. It is as if the forest has opened its heart to you, sharing its secrets, its beauty, its peace. You realize that this is what you have been seeking, a place of quiet, of solitude, where you can let go of all that weighs you down and simply be. The sound of the waterfall is a gentle hum in your ears, a soothing backdrop to the symphony of the forest around you. The scents, the sensations, the sights, they all blend together, creating a perfect harmony that fills you with a profound sense of contentment. You feel at one with the world, your spirit soaring, your heart light. A fine mist rises from the pool at the base of the fall, swirling in the air like a delicate veil. It kisses your skin, cool and refreshing, leaving tiny droplets that glisten like morning dew. The mist carries with it the scent of fresh water, crisp and pure, mingling with the sweet aroma of wildflowers that bloom in a riot of colours along the water's edge, violets, buttercups and daffodils quivering in the gentle breeze. You move closer, stepping carefully over the smooth stones that frame the pool. The water here is crystal clear, revealing a bed of smooth pebbles that shimmer in shades of amber, jade, and pearl. The sunlight dances on the surface, creating ripples of light that play across the water, a mesmerizing display that draws you in deeper. The water in the pool at the base of the waterfall looks impossibly inviting, as if it were calling to you with an unseen force, beckoning you closer. The surface is so clear that you can see all the way to the bottom, where smooth, round stones scattered like jewels. Sunlight filters through the canopy above, casting dappled patterns on the water, which shimmers with an ethereal light. It glints like liquid crystal, the sunlight catching each ripple, each eddy, and turning it to gold. You feel a deep, irresistible urge to reach out, to touch it, to feel the cool, refreshing water against your skin. You kneel at the water's edge, the soft moss cushioning your knees, and extend a tentative hand. The air is cool, a delicate breeze rustling the leaves overhead, and the mist from the fall settles on your skin like a fine, cooling veil. The water looks so pure, so pristine, it almost seems unreal, as if it were a mirage conjured from the deepest depths of your imagination. You pause for a moment, your hand hovering just above the surface feeling the pull of the water, the silent invitation it offers. There is a sense of magic here, something ancient and powerful, a force that transcends the mundane world. You dip your hand into the pool, feeling the cool, silky caress of the water against your skin. It is invigorating, yet soothing, as if the water itself holds a magic, a promise of renewal and peace. When your fingers finally make contact, the water is cool and smooth, a silken caress against your skin. A shiver runs through you, not from the cold, but from the sensation of touching something so perfect, so pure. It is as if the water is alive, a living, breathing entity that welcomes your touch with a soft sigh. You dip your hand deeper, feeling the gentle resistance of the water as it flows around your fingers, enveloping them in its cool embrace. The sensation is both invigorating and calming, a paradox of sensations that sends a thrill through your entire being. As your hand moves through the water, it creates a series of ripples that spread outward in concentric circles, like the echoes of a whispered secret. The ripples dance across the surface, catching the light and scattering it into 1,000 tiny rainbows. Each ripple seems to pulse with its own energy, a gentle rhythmic beat that resonates with the sound of the waterfall. You watch mesmerized as the ripples grow wider and wider, until they reach the opposite shore and disappear into the stillness. The water, once calm and serene, now moves with a life of its own, a gentle, undulating dance that mirrors the rhythm of your own heartbeat. You feel a profound sense of connection to this place, as if the water itself has recognized you, has accepted you into its quiet, sacred space. There is a deep peace here, a tranquility that seeps into your very soul, soothing the restless thoughts that have plagued you. The sound of the waterfall is a soft, rhythmic hum, a melody that fills the air and seems to echo in your mind, calming and centering you. It is a sound that speaks of eternity, of timelessness, a reminder that there is a world beyond the one you know, a world of beauty and wonder, hidden just beyond the veil of reality. You find a comfortable spot on a smooth, flat rock near the water's edge and sit down, letting your feet dangle in the cool, clear water. The sound of the waterfall fills your ears, a steady, rhythmic symphony that drowns out all thoughts or worries. You close your eyes and breathe deeply, inhaling the scent of water and wildflowers, the essence of the forest itself. You feel the gentle spray on your face, a cool touch that mingles with the sun on your skin. Here, in this secluded spot, the world outside ceases to exist. There is only the waterfall, the forest, and the soothing sounds that surround you. The water's gentle melody lulls you into a state of deep relaxation, each breath you take drawing you further into a serene calm. You feel your muscles loosen, the tension in your body melting away, carried off by the rhythmic flow of the water. You are one with the forest, with the waterfall, with the earth beneath you. In this moment, you do not feel lonely. Instead, you feel a deep sense of solace, a comfort in the solitude that surrounds you. There is a quiet joy in being alone, in being at one with the world around you. The forest has embraced you, has drawn you into its heart, and you feel a sense of belonging, of being home. You realize that this place, this hidden waterfall, is a sanctuary, a place where the soul can find rest and renewal. The pull of this place is almost otherworldly, a magic that cannot be explained, only felt. You turn your gaze to the waterfall, watching as the water cascades down the rocky cliff. Its movements hypnotic, soothing. The sound is constant, a gentle roar that fills the silence, yet it is not overwhelming. It is a comforting sound, a sound that wraps around you like a warm blanket, shielding you from the outside world. You close your eyes and let the sound wash over you, feeling its vibrations in your very bones. You feel as though you are a part of this place, a part of its magic, its mystery. There is a sense of timelessness here, a feeling that you have stepped outside of time into a world that exists apart from the one you know. It is a world of peace and tranquility, a world where the only sounds are the soft rustle of leaves and the gentle murmur of water. You feel a deep sense of gratitude, a profound appreciation for this moment, for this place. You know that you will carry this feeling with you, a reminder of the magic that exists in the world, the beauty that can be found in the most unexpected places. As you sit by the water's edge, your hand still immersed in the cool, clear water, you feel a sense of peace settle over you, a calm that fills your entire being. You take a deep breath, feeling the air fill your lungs, and let it out slowly, releasing all the tension, all the worry, all the stress. You feel lighter, freer, more at ease than you have in a long time. You smile to yourself, a soft, content smile, and close your eyes, letting the sound of the waterfall guide you into a state of deep relaxation. And in that moment you understand the true power of this place, the magic that it holds. It is a place of healing, of renewal, a place where the soul can find rest and peace. You feel a deep sense of contentment, a quiet joy that fills your heart. And you know that you have found something truly special, something that will stay with you always. The soft, cool breeze stirs again, rustling the leaves overhead, carrying with it the soft sighs of the forest. It plays across your skin like a lover's whisper, gentle and fleeting. You open your eyes and gaze up at the canopy above, where the leaves sway in a slow rhythmic dance, their emerald hues aglow with the light of the setting sun. You watch as the sky begins to change, the vibrant blues deepening in gold, streaked with shades of pink. The light grows softer, more diffuse, casting long shadows that stretch across the forest floor. As the day gives way to twilight, the forest seems to come alive in a new way. The sounds of daytime fade, replaced by the soft rustle of nocturnal creatures stirring in the underbrush. The waterfall continues its endless song as the soothing backdrop to the symphony of the night. You lie back on the rock, feeling the cool, solid surface beneath you, the gentle rise and fall of your breath, in time with the pulse of the water. The stars begin to appear one by one in the deepening sky above, their soft silver light reflected in the still pool at the base of the falls. The world is bathed in a gentle glow, a quiet magic that seems to emanate from the very earth itself. You feel a deep sense of peace settle over you, a calm that flows through your veins like the water cascading down the rocks. You close your eyes once more, letting the soothing sounds and the tranquil atmosphere guide you into a state of deep relaxation, your mind drifting, your body sinking into the soft embrace of sleep. And as you drift away, carried on the gentle currents of the waterfall's song, you know that this hidden place, this secret oasis of calm and serenity, will always be here waiting for you to return whenever you need to find peace, to feel the soothing touch of nature's embrace, and to let go of all that weighs you down. Here in this place of beauty and tranquility, you are free. Your spirit as boundless as the water flowing endlessly over the rocks, your dreams as vast and infinite as the night sky above. And now, dear dreamer, the time has come to leave this secret place behind, to step away from the whispering waters and the cool, verdant shadows of the forest. The path we walk together fades into the mist, the gentle song of the waterfall grows soft and distant, like a lullaby carried away on the breeze. Yet the peace you found here, the quiet joy, the sense of stillness lingers within you, art a whisper in your soul. Know that this place, this hidden sanctuary is always here waiting for you. Whenever the world feels too heavy, whenever you long for a moment of calm, close your eyes and let the memory of the forest, the scent of wildflowers and fresh water, the cool touch of the mist guide you back. You are never truly alone, for the magic of this place lives on within you. Thank you, dear one, for joining me on this journey, for trusting me to guide you through these quiet woods to this place of peace and renewal. If you have found comfort here, if this journey has brought a sense of calm to your spirit, I invite you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Together we will continue to explore these hidden realms where magic and tranquility await around every corner, where every step brings us closer to the heart of the mystery. Until we meet again, dreamer, may your nights be filled with soft whispers and gentle dreams. I am Mooncat, and I will be here waiting, ready to guide you back to this world of wonder whenever you need it. Farewell for now, but not forever. The forest remembers, and so do I. Sleep well, and may peace find you always.